Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you the best eSIM for Germany, the unlimited data. So actually guys, first and before we get started, click the link in the description to check out eSIM and find the right eSIM plan for your trip. And of course guys, in the end of the video I'm going to show you how to install the eSIM profile on your phone in both devices, the iOS and Android one. So actually guys, first you will need to go with where do you need internet, and here you will need to look for Germany and just select the country once it's found. And yeah, so you will need to stay on the unlimited plans tab. And okay guys, the eSIM offers the unlimited data eSIM plans for Germany with flexible duration. For example, you can currently find unlimited plans for 1 day, 7 days, 15 days, 20 days, and of course a month, right? And for the best prices. Okay, so actually guys, can you imagine a month for $68? That's a very good price guys to go with. So for example, if you want to go with a month, or you will stay for a month in Germany, you will need just to go with the plan and then use the number of the eSIMs and then just go with the checkout right here. So then you will be forwarded into the payment method. So right here you will need to choose a payment method. Even you can go with more payments method right here, then just choose yours and go with pay, and then you will need to enter your bank or your PayPal account or extra, so depending on the payments method that you choose. So now guys, I'm going to show you how to install the eSIM profile on your iPhone or your iOS device. So actually guys, first you will need to go to the eSIM page and then just tap on install, right? So now you will need to go to the eSIM plan and then just tap on done and enable or turn on the line and the data roaming. So of course guys, we have another method which is scanning the QR code. So you'll need to go to the mobile data option inside your device settings, go with add data plan, and then just go with use QR code, then just scan that QR code. And actually guys, you will need to do the same, so use or choose the eSIM plan, then go with turning on the line and the data roaming. Now I'm going to show you how to do that on your Android device. So actually guys, you will need to go to the help or the help center and the eSIM, and then just go and tap on the option. It says eSIM installation. So then and only then you will need to go and tap on the install right here, and then go to settings. So you will need to activate the eSIM or the eSIM in the same manager and enable the data roaming, then restart your phone if necessary or requested. And actually guys, we have the second option or second method. So you can go with the connection option inside your device settings, go with the SIM card manager option, and of course you can go with add mobile plan option, scan the QR code as well, and turn on the data roaming. And yeah guys, if you want to check the last eSIM plans and prices for Germany, once again click the link in the description and choose the plan that best fits your trip. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching.